I'm Jay Clark with Holiday Auto Group in Graham, Texas. I've been with the company over 3 years since they purchased us back in 2018. Holiday Auto Group started in August of 2003. Started with a Chevrolet store in Whitesboro and got a Ford store there. And he's ventured out. Now he's got Buick GMC and Dodge in Graham, and he's also got a Ford store in Gordon. We specialize like in Dodge, Buick, GMC, Cadillac, Chevrolet, Ford in all of our locations. We can do engine, transmission, regular maintenance, drivability problems, check engine lights, anything pretty much due to issues with cars that we can handle. Our customer service is second to none. I love the customer service part of it. I love dealing with customers every day, and they're not all the same, they're all different. Solving problems for customers, seeing them come in unhappy and leave happy, that's the biggest fulfillment of my job. Well, this shop here, all our doors are facing the north. Of course, we're in Texas, so all the wind comes from the south. So it's pretty stagnant in the shop. We needed some kind of fan system, something to get some air moving in the shop so it's not so hot in the summertime. They're portable, they're easy to maneuver around. The Maxx Air fans, of course we had the 4-foot one, and it would give a lot of volumes just throughout the shop. Then the 24-inch ones you could set close to the vehicles and angle it to where the technician was working, so they had a lot more airflow there and try to get some of the heat off the engines and stuff like that while they're working. Typically in the afternoon, it'd get 115, 20 degrees in the shop, and they'd be shutting down because it was so hot. They're able to work throughout the day now and just keep airflow in there, and it made a big difference. Currently, they're finishing up on the remodel rebuild for the Buick GMC store just down the road from us here in Graham on Highway 380. The shop, it's facing the south, so it'll get a little bit more wind, but technicians can always use fans, so to cool engines or whatever. So it's going to be an exciting deal to have a new shop and a new facility there for the Buick GMC side of the business.